I found this Indian robin bird, a chick actually, beside my house. It was sitting on a small tree. It must be less than a month old. Looks like it's awaiting its mother to come and feed it. It's a male bird, that's what I gather. Uh, I read it that the female birds are grayish, so this is a male chick. I'm glad that it did not get threatened with my presence there. I was reasonably close to where it was sitting. It's fluffy and they're actually bigger than their mother at this stage. It shows that mothers feed these chicks very well at the early stage itself to make them strong. And looking at the appearance of the bird, one may think that it's an angry bird. In reality, I don't think so. It is just the appearance of the bird. They grow up to be very beautiful, pleasant to eye kind of birds. I really enjoy watching these birds. I do have a couple of other videos in my channel where a mother is feeding the chick, and also another bird taking a bath in a small pond. I'll give the link to my channel in the description. Please watch it and comment, and also share if you have more facts on this bird. I hope you do enjoy watching this bird as much as I do. If you watch the bird in this video throughout, it looked at the camera, it looked at me several times, and it stayed put there. That is how I assumed that it did not get really threatened by me. That's a good thing. See the bird looking straight into the camera several times, and it just turned away and stayed put there.